Ayo guys, you already grind my gears. When your cats beg for treats every morning, when I wake up, they be going meow, and I'd be like, no, I'm not giving you treats. Wait for my brother to get up. You know, that's what I always do. I just tell him they don't meow at me. He's gonna see this. And if he catches me in the line, I'm gonna say, no, that was just in the script, bro. It was just a joke, bro. So today, we're gonna put equal amount of sugar as we do Kool-Aid packets. Or we'll just mix a bunch of flavors. So, I'm gonna, read how many, grams are in these. Okay, I'm just gonna put a bunch of these in this. So, Kool-Aid pitcher, you know. Crap. Messed up. Okay. First packet we got lemon. What the heck? Oh, that's strawberry lemonade. Okay. Now berry cherry. Now tropical punch. This is gonna taste nasty, but I'm kind of excited. Okay, now we got strawberry. Crap, didn't open it well enough. Ooh. This is probably gonna taste like super sour, so this is probably gonna be a waste of money. I'm sorry, people that are offended by this. You are offended by this disgrace to Kool-Aid. Dang! It's like layers, bruh. Okay, guys, so for Thanksgiving, I'm gonna go to Arkansas, see my brother's girlfriend. You can't rob me because my mom's gonna be here, so sorry, you can't rob me. I know you guys wish you could, steal the Asian 38s, but, I can't let you guys do that. Oh, and my next subscriber goal will be 80 or 85. And then I'll probably just buy another pair of shoes. But, Now I'll drop Asian 38 merch. Then, bruh. I'll sell it for cheap, like $10 or something like that, man. So let's try to hit 85. But by the end of the year, I think we might be able to do that, guys. Oh, it smells so sugary. It smells kind of sour, actually. Okay. My thing's garbage. Whoa, that's like a deep red. I'm gonna have to fill this up like all the way in order for it to like. Oh dang, dang! Oh crap, there's like no place to do this. Guys, I think today might be a double upload. I'm getting back, into the swing of things, getting back into my, YouTube kind of, like my previous upload. Yeah, that was pretty good. It's pretty sad leaving Team 38. Like, I gotta be honest, but I got further my career. And in case you guys aren't smart enough, I'm sorry. Like, I shouldn't be calling you guys not smart enough. Sorry about that. But anyone with at least one brain cell, which should be all of you, okay, could tell that I was joking. So, good for you if you know I was joking. Okay, we gotta pour a glass now. I got an idea for this. I'm gonna do that in the Epic Creations coming out later today, okay, guys? So, yeah. Oh. Oh. I'm scared to spill this everywhere. Oh, God, no. Crap, I got some wetness on this, Oh. Okay, I'm gonna smell this. Okay. It smells like really sweet, but like it tasted really sour. I think this is gonna stain the spoon. Like this gets on my hands, it's probably gonna stain for a while. Cause if you've ever just eaten like raw Kool-Aid powder, when you don't cook your Kool-Aid powder, it stains your hands. I'm sorry about that glare, guys. I don't know how to fix that. I'm not really good at editing or anything. This isn't actually bad. It's like kind of sour, which I like. Because I kind of like my stuff to be sour. So I'll rate this Kool-Aid 8 out of 10. And I'm gonna tell you guys something. Okay, so on my birthday or like somewhere around, my family, we always go somewhere to eat. So I'm gonna go like for my real place to eat, and I'm gonna go to Buffalo Wild Wings, eat the hottest chicken wings they got for a video. Cause like hot stuff, I like it. Like even if it hurts, I'll eat it because it just tastes too good. So, yeah, be expecting that in the future. If I, do it on my birthday, I'll post it then, and then I'll tell you guys, okay? So, see you later today, guys. Bye.